Otherwise, welcome back to this video. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix green lights on your iPhone like this. So this issue is happening, and this is actually a display related issue. So I'm going to talk about some of the workaround that can be tried. So I'm not going to say this is going to work for you for sure. But even though you can give it a try when you're having these kind of green lines, which is vertically or horizontal on your mobile phone, on an iPhone, and you can try this out. So this might work you. There is also, if not, that depends on it. But even though we can try this out at least because it's actually a dispute problem. So you can directly get into the workaround. So first one is Audible. What we need to do is whenever you are going through this kind of issue, the first step is Audible. We have to do the force restart. So the force restart is Audible. We have to press the volume up, followed by the volume down, and you have to press and hold the power button over here all together. So I'm getting to this. So just press the volume up, followed by volume down, press and hold the power button like this. Unless and until you see the Apple logo. And now once you're done with this one, we have to, after the force restart, we have to check whether the issue is solved or not. Still, if you're having the trouble, the next one is whatever, we have to readjust your screen. You have to keep pressing over here like this, and you have to check. When you're going through any kind of issues over here in the on your display, you have to do like this. You have to keep pressing here and over there. And most probably when you keep on pressing like this, if you're going through any kind of green screen issue, they might pop up again. So there is a possibility where you can understand this. So you can try this out as well. After trying with the first and second step, see if you're not able to fix this up. What I'm recommending you guys is all about you can book an appointment with the Apple official and you can ask the support from them. They can help you guys out by replacing the display. And also, I request you make a request as well that should not be depending on using any unauthorized displays. You should be always using the official display from the Apple team, or else you end up in having some of the damages on your mobile phone as well. So it is quite important that you have to always do any kind of things, any kind of donations on your iPhone. Always talk to the official Apple support, and they're going to book an appointment for you guys with the technical team, and they're going to help you guys out. So that's what you have to do, and I hope this is very helpful. And if you find this very helpful, don't forget to subscribe and check on the bell icon for more of this kind of videos. Bye.